So the first thing I want to do is sign into my bulb account. I'm using my Ulster Bosse's Gmail account for that. And here I am. So I already created a collection titled Cycles of Inquiry. And inside my collection, I have a page for unique self, community, and a page for capacity. So if I click into my unique self page, you'll see that I added an image, cover image. I typed summary, so I could put a summary. And I typed cluster members, so I can add my cluster members. I need to add my file, and that I will find in my Drive folder. It's shared with you, and it should be in a folder called Reflecting, Capturing, and Curating. Once you click in, your work for your cluster or your group or your team should be under the Pathways Programs, Administration, or Whole Child Education. I made a folder just so you can see my demo. When I finish my slide with my team and I know I'm ready to upload, remember that we need to make a copy. And so I did a right click on my slide so I can make a whole copy. If for some reason you cannot right click, then click inside or click and open it. And you'll say File, Make a Copy. You want the entire presentation. What I like to do too is maybe just rename this so I know that it's mine. And I don't want it in Julie's folder. I want it back in my Drive. So I might have to click back a little bit to get it into my Drive and select and OK. Now it's in my Drive. If I could right click, I would make a copy. Again, I might want to rename that copy so that I know it's mine. And what I could do is easily drag it to my Drive. It will ask, are you sure you want to move it? Yes. Now I'm ready to upload from my Drive to my bulb portfolio. Add a file, search in Google Drive, and since I did not put it in a folder, I'm going to scan down until I find it. Remember, I made 2 copies to show you 2 different ways. Select, and it's going to ask me to update my share settings so that people can see it. They will not be able to do anything with it. They'll just be able to see it. And they won't be able to see it until I publish it. Publish, public, or if you want to publish it to Ulster Bosse's only, just recognize if you publish it to Ulster Bosse's only, then people need to make sure that they log in with their Ulster Bosse's account. So I actually just want to update that. I'm going to do it to public and publish. And now I can go back to my home page, check out my cycles of inquiry collection. And now I would do the same thing for community and capacity. So on my community page, I might want to add a cover. If I don't have a picture, I might want to search for one. And save. If I click my mouse, I can start typing. Summary. My team or cluster members. And now again, I need to go back to my drive. I need to find community. I need to make a copy. Like I said, I like to rename the copy. So that way I know it's mine. And then I'm moving it to my drive. So that in bold, I can upload the file through Google Drive. There's community and upload. Remember, I want to change the share settings so that people can view it. Publish and publish. I would go back. And now I can do the same for capacity. So I'll do that one more time. I'm going to click in, add a cover image. Not sure what a cover image of capacity would be. Let's see what it gives us. Interesting. So let's go with I'll just use this for now. Drag to add my cover image. Bring my cursor down so I can start typing my summary. My team members or my cluster members. And again, my file for capacity, once it's complete with my team, I make a copy. I'll make a copy the other way this time. So I clicked inside, and I'm going to say File, make a copy of the entire presentation. I'm going to change my name, change the file name. And this time I want to click where it says folder and go back and back until I get to my drive. So there's always more than one way to do something with technology. I'm now going back to bold and I'm going to upload it. I didn't put it in a folder, so I have to slide down until I see capacity and update my share settings. And last, we always publish. If you have additional artifacts that you want to add, fantastic. So now I want to share the cycles of inquiry with everyone. I don't want to share my whole site or my whole portfolio. I just want to share the cycles of inquiry. So I'm going to click on cycles of inquiry, make sure that every piece has been updated so that the public can view, or Ulster BOCES, as I said. We're going to click on share. I'm going to make this a shortened URL, copy the link, and then I'm going to close out so that we can see what this looks like. Sign out. So I'm all signed out. I'm going to put the URL in, click enter. And so now, whoever you share the link with will see your cycles of inquiry, your unique self, where they can look at the presentation and make it full screen and click through. They can go back see your community and see the capacity. I hope that helps. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help.